everybody! I just wanted to make a quick intro to this video. I am no longer pregnant! There's the proof. There he is. He's out. But while I was still pregnant, I was making different articles of clothing for him, mostly just trying to stay patient while I waited for his arrival. And since I was still pregnant, he was not here to model for me, so I do have a baby doll as my model to show you the clothing items that I've made. But I will insert some pictures of him wearing a few of the clothing items. He isn't big enough to fit into everything that I've made for him yet, so as he gets older, he will wear those clothing items. And I'm sure I will be making him lots more in the future because baby clothes are really easy to make and really quick to make. You can pop several things out within half an hour. So I hope you enjoy this little mini baby clothes tutorial. Bye! Alright, so this is a curtain, an old curtain I'm going to be using to make the little baby pants. I'm going to be modeling from a pair of sweatpants that I have in the 0 to 3 month size that I want. The only alterations I'm going to be making will be the cuff at the bottom. I'm just going to end the new pants straight and not have this tight cuff. And I will not have pockets on the new pants. First, I'm going to fold over my fabric, and then I'm going to fold these pants in half so that the front is inward first. I'm going to trace around this shape. I'm going to leave a little bit extra room because this fabric is not as stretchy, and to leave room for some seam allowance. And this side of the pant leg. Now I'm going to fold my pants the opposite way so that the back is folded on the inside, and trace this angle as well. Now that I have my two pant leg pieces cut, I'm going to serge each edge of these, and then serge the front and the back pieces together. So first, for my front pieces, I'm going to face them right sides of the fabric together, and then I'm going to serge up until where this point is here. So this part will be together, and then I'm going to do the same for the back side, put them together. And then once I have just the front down to the crotch of the pants, I will lay them on top of each other and finish the side and inner seam pieces. Now that I have my little pants hemmed, a little cuff here, I'm going to just fold over the top and create a channel to insert elastic to make the top of these elastic. Okay, the next project is copying this little zip-up jacket with a hood. This is a Carter's jacket. I'm just going to be copying it for the size 0 to 3 months, and I will be using this wintry fabric. Let's get started. So for the front of the jacket, I need to leave extra space to be able to attach the zipper to. So I'm going to be leaving some more space in the front that I will cut open here. I'm going to be leaving extra space on the side so that I can attach the zipper. And then just cut out the general shape. Okay, the last clothing item I'm going to recreate are some little footed pajama pants or some soft pants with feet. I'm going to be using this soft, stretchy jersey knit fabric. He's almost here. First things first, I'm going to fold the pants in half, the folded side against the folded side of the fabric. Now for the foot part, I am going to cut a length just to the seam and then create a separate foot piece to attach afterwards. I have my front pant pieces, my back pant pieces, and then I have my foot pieces that I'll attach here. Because this is a stretchy jersey knit, this fabric does not fray, so I'll just be zigzag stitching them together. Okay, I have the pants together, I have the feet on. The next step is to sew a channel at the top for elastic, and these will be finished.